I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production.
Yes guys, so welcome back to Night's Kitchen. So today in Night's Kitchen we're going to show you how to make festival, authentic Jamaican festival, yeah? So what I'll be using today is I've got self-rising flour and I've got cornmeal, and what I've got here I've also grated one nutmeg. Okay, you can use a whole nutmeg and grate it, or you can use ground nutmeg. Okay, I've got vanilla and I've got sugar, and also what I've also added to that is a 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to knead that up, guys. So I'm going to mix in the sugar with the vanilla. Okay, and I'll be using a whisk. Where's my whisk? Alright. Ready? Yes guys, so I've got my vanilla and my sugar, mixing it out. Okay, so that's ready to go. Let me just rinse off my hands before I start kneading the dumpling, or the festival I should say. Wash and dry. Important cleanliness. And guys, now I'm gonna knead. So I'm using self-rising flour, so I don't need baking powder. So if you're out there and you're using plain flour, you need to add baking powder to it. Okay? And guys, when you're doing a festival, knead it and leave it at least. If you can leave it at least an hour, 45 minutes. If you was going to have 10, you probably have 12 out of it. And guys, if the flour come out a bit soft, don't worry. It's festival. So as you can see, the flour, the color, it's got the color of the vanilla. You can see the vanilla and the cornmeal. And you can smell the spice. Okay? Okay guys, so as you can see, my festival knead. Okay? And all I'm going to be doing now is cover that with some cling film and leave the flour to set. And just leave the flour to set. See? Just leave it on the side. Yes guys, so my festival dough has been sat there for a while now, so I'm going to start preparing it. Okay, so I've got my oil there. It's at temperature. Just wash my hands before I start making them. Wash and dry. Lovely. So that's that. So I'm gonna start frying my festival now. So just mix up the dough again. It's been sat there for a while. So just gonna take a small portion of flour. Then I'm just gonna roll it like this. Okay? Then run my fingers, kind of give it a little, just flat it out a bit. And then I'm just gonna drop that in the oil. You don't want your oil too hot. Okay? So roll. Then just flat it out a bit. Put it straight down into the oil. flat them out, guys. At least the middle, get to soak in the middle quickly. You can drop them down in the oil like that, but I choose not to. I'm gonna add about 6 or 7 in there. Guys, when you start frying these, you have to stay. You have to continue until you finish because they fry really quickly. Okay? And what I'll be using to turn my festival is a thumb. Or a nipper. Some man said nipper because I don't want to say certain words in our kitchen. Okay? So, yes, guys, so I'm about to start removing festival from the pot. As you can see, I've got a tray here. And in the tray, like everything I fry, I put something in the bottom, kitchen towel, to absorb the excess oil. And I drain as much back in the pot as I can. Like I said, guys, when you start frying these, you have to stay with them until you finish the entire batch. Thing with festival, you can always make some. So I've got this portion. If you were making it for yourself on your own and you had this amount, you could always put some back in the fridge and then fry them as you go, or as you wish. So again, load up a next batch in there. Guys, I'm not making them massive, just some small, bite size. Not jumbo, you know. So just remember, you roll. Flat, not too flat, just slightly like that. Squeeze them down and poof, straight in the pot. Okay. See that? Flatten. There you go. Poof, straight down. Pop. Flatten. See? Straight down in the pot like poof. There you go, guys, another batch in there. Like I said, I'm not overdoing it, just a little small bit at a time. Yes, guys, so I'm going to be removing the second batch of festival from the pot. Golden. Yeah? And guys, I'm removing two in one go, but you don't have to try it. You can remove one if you wish. In each go. Yes, guys, so festival complete. So this is that's, as I said, finishing. This is how it look. Okay, so this is how I make my festival. Okay, so guys, please remember to subscribe, comment and share and hit the notification button. So stay safe, one love, bless up yourself out there, manners and respect.